Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a typewriter effect to your videos in CapCut. So if you want to have some vintage looking on your text maybe and your video, you can use the typewriter effect. And here I'm going to show you by using CapCut. So let's launch the CapCut app first. Okay, now you can just start by opening a new project. So tap on new projects in here, then choose your video. Okay, for example, I'm going to just use this one right here. You can tap on add, and now you can just start by adding the text that you want. Okay, I'm going to just write like this. Okay, you can change the style like the font to how you're liking. I'm going to go with the typewriter, of course. You can also change the style of the text. Okay, I'm going to use this one. You can adjust the position. And if you want to, you can also add more than one text. So just duplicate it. I'm going to put it after the first one. And change the content of the text. Okay, to start having that typewriter effect, you can just click on the text and find animation, and in here under the in category you can just add this typewriter effect, and you can adjust the duration to how you like it. You can also add for the next one, the next text. Okay, I'm going to use the same duration just like this. And now let's add sound effects to it. So let's go to add audio and choose sound effects. Then here on the search bar at the top, just type in typewriter. Okay, let's hear the result first. Preview. Okay, there's no, I'm going to just write type maybe. Let's find out. Okay, there is only one typewriter keyboard apparently, so just use that one. You can click on a plus icon and hear the result first. Okay, so let's make it match with the text. Okay, I'm going to split in here. And then I'm going to move the audio here. Let's see. Okay, so that's it. This is the final result for the typewriter effect. And that's all for me. That's how you can add a typewriter effect to your videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.